Hey everyone, welcome. I am here with a quick little Publix haul I did today to take advantage of some good BOGOs. I wanted to share these with anyone who might live in Southeast United States. Publix has 7 or 8 states they're in now, and the sale runs through Tuesday or Wednesday depending on what state you're in. So let's go over these real quick. I wanted to start by showing you this olive oil and peach vinegar that I got yesterday. So you're not going to see those two items in this haul because I got home, got all those groceries put away, and realized I should have done a little haul video, but I'm not dragging them all back out. But I wanted you to be aware of this deal because it's such a good one. The olive oil is BOGO. $11 for these skinny little bottles, but for two that's $5.50, so not bad. Plus you get the little pour spout. I like it that they're in the aluminum bottles to keep the olive oil from daylight. And also in the same brand, that fresh press, is this super interesting peach vinegar. I have never seen it. It's like an apple cider vinegar but made from peaches. I haven't tried it yet, but I just wanted y'all to be aware.
And even better, if you use Fetch, I got back $5.35 for two of these. It takes it down to a net spend of $5.65.
So I'm going to send one of each to my daughters. And now let's get to today's haul real quick. Let's start with a unique little BOGO just because it looks like the Finish brand is closing out certain sizes, if you will. And it's the 43 that was mostly on the clearance table. These are clearance prices. Now I'll show you in the store a little look here real quick what I'm talking about. These are really, it's interesting. When you go BOGOing at Publix, you have to make sure to really read the specifics that apply to what is actually on BOGO so you don't get disappointed at the register. And when I was looking yesterday, I passed on this deal because they only had these 43 and then some larger tub sizes, and neither one of those tab counts applied based on what I was seeing in the BOGO card. So I didn't bother taking those up to the register. But today they happen to have at my other Publix 32 tabs, which is on that BOGO card. And they only had one on the clearance table. So I just picked up two and said to myself, well, let's see what they'll do for me. And sure enough, they are so sweet at Publix. I got up there, the cute little clerk, she said, well, let me ring them. And this one rang up the regular price, $10.99. And then she just rang this twice. And then that would have been a BOGO, but I would have been paying $3 more than the clearance, right? So I explained to her, I said, can you maybe see if the manager will allow you to give these to me on BOGO on the clearance price? And sure enough, that's what happened. It only took a few seconds. He was super nice. So I basically, got the BOGO at $7.49. But then what made it even better, you guys, there are digital coupons on the Publix website for $2. So take $4 off. I paid $3.50 for both, or what is that, like $1.75 each for 32 and 43. Can't beat that. So if you're in a Publix area, make sure you check your table. And don't be shy about asking them at the register to give you the deal. And make sure you clip those coupons. Now, on to things that aren't as exciting but still good deals. The Quilted Northern, that's on BOGO today for $7.99. And in today's economy, my rule of thumb on TP is I'm not going to pay more than $1 a roll, or I'll just wait for the next deal. And there are 4 rolls in each package, so that's 8 rolls for $7.99. I didn't have any coupons in my Publix account. I didn't see anything on my Ibotta account, but you may very well have some, so make sure you check if you're thinking about picking up some of this toilet paper. And then the OxyClean, no coupons, $9.99. So, I got them for $5 each, which in today's world is a good deal. And then the Springer Mountain Farms, I don't normally buy the raw, boneless, skinless chicken breasts because they're so pricey at my Publix. They're normally $6.99 a pound, and these were on BOGO today. So I tried to get packages as close in price as I could because they always ring up the more expensive, and then you get the less expensive one on the BOGO. So if you're going to get that deal, make sure you're aware of that. And then if you go to the Springer Mountain Farms website, you can download $1.50 coupons. So I paid $10.42 minus $3. So I paid $7.42 at the register for 3 pounds of chicken. Really, really good quality chicken. Normally antibiotic free yada yada is very, very pricey at any store, even Aldi. So really happy to pick those 2 packages up. And I like it that it's just 2 chicken breasts in each, because when I meal prep, I just cook 2. I'm only cooking for me. This way I don't have to put them in Ziploc bags to put them in the freezer, so yay. And then I happened to be at Aldi this morning, which I hit first, and I had seen that the strawberries were on BOGO at Publix, $3.99. So I paid $3.99 total. And Aldi has 1 package for $3.99 today, and they didn't look nearly as juicy and good. So know your prices, right? And then the Oikos 000, I like to take these in my lunch to work, which is why I like to buy the little individual containers when I can. They were on BOGO. I'm going to check my Ibotta and my Fetch here in a minute and see if these are on there. I'm not sure. But these were $5.99, so I got them, $3 each, so less than $1 a cup. And then for the non-sale items, just because I'm going to go to the beach tomorrow, I want to have my little bit of champagne there. And then I was completely out of balsamic glaze, which I just love this time of year. So this was on sale for $4, if you can call it a good price. That was the least expensive balsamic glaze they had. I think this was like $8.63 on sale. So that's my little haul. And then let me show you what I spent. A total of $51.48 before sales tax. Just a couple pennies below $54 with sales tax. And I saved $54.89. So I saved a little more than I spent. And in today's world, you've just got to be happy if you can say that, right? And of course, these are items I use all of the time. And that's my rule of thumb. Don't buy it just because it's on sale or a great deal if it's not something you'd normally buy and may not end up liking or using. Anyway, that's a wrap on my shopping spree. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.